something new and exciting for the FRS. Guess what? My steering wheels are finally in. I am so excited. I freaking love how they came out. I gave a little sneak peek a couple videos ago that they were in, and I'm going to be installing it right now. I'm actually supposed to be going to a photo shoot at the moment, but I need to put this on first because I've just been super busy. I have not had time, so I'm gonna do it right now. But I wanted to show you guys, and I'm just gonna be vlogging my day today and take you guys along with me what I do. But yeah, I am so excited to finally have my steering wheels. I'll obviously give you guys a more in-depth look and give you guys more details, but they are coming out very soon, in a couple days actually. They're officially going to be released June 24th. That is a Friday. If you guys want to get your hands on one of them, definitely don't want to miss out. We only have about 15 currently, and there is no ETA when the rest are coming. They are currently getting shipped here, and everything is super backed up, obviously with everything going on. So there really is not an ETA right now, but we did get the first batch of the steering wheels in, so we are going to be selling those, and it's basically first come first serve. And after there is no more left, we're going to be opening for pre-orders. But like I said, if you do want to get your hands on one soon, we do have just a couple in stock at the moment. Or not at the moment. June 24th they'll be in stock, and they will be on the Volante website. It is going to be in the morning, but I will put it up on the screen somewhere once I know. But I'm so freaking excited. So many people have been asking me about the steering wheels and when they're coming out, and I'm like, oh, it's been such a long waiting game because everything is so backed up, but it is finally here and I'm so excited. So this is the final goodbye to this steering wheel. This is my first Volante steering wheel. Now I have this whole collection, but honestly this has been my favorite just because it has pink on it, and obviously my car is pink. I have to rock the pink, so yeah. But now that I have my steering wheel, this is a sad goodbye. If you guys remember when I first installed this, it was a while ago, honestly. It's time to let go. I'm super excited. If you guys plan to get your hands on one, definitely let me know. So the steering wheels are numbered, but they do get sent randomly. So right now I think I have like number 100 and something. I'm waiting for number 1 to come, and I'm gonna obviously keep that one forever. They are numbered randomly and shipped at random, so yeah. So sad. It is so dirty though, just from daily driving. Like, of course the stitching's gonna get dirty. It used to be white, so you know how that goes. Okay, I set you guys up in the most sketchiest spot ever, but it's fine. Look at it. So this is actually number 116. So I have 116 now. Wish I had like a little drill for this right now. I'm actually running late. I'm going to go shoot for the steering wheel actually. That is why I need to put it on right now. And I just haven't had time. I also have my horn button. So it is an SB horn button. So I'll show you guys that as well. There we got her in all its glory. I'm so excited. So I did not connect the horn button right now, but I already have obviously all the wires for it. Oh my goodness, I am so obsessed with how this looks. I am freaking in love. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your guys' opinions. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I really like it and I designed it. Okay, I have to head out now. I gotta go. I'm running late. I didn't even get to wash my car or clean my interior. I am a fail at life, honestly, but gotta clean FC, chaser, my furs. We're in Newport, not Newport, Long Beach. Look at our cars. 2 reds, 1 pink. We're doing pretty good on shooting. It's still pretty bright, but we out here. We're setting this up.
Oh shit, Josh, you're going crazy. I look with Macintosh's energy. we're gonna be, it looks like we're gonna be taking the bridge, guys, just for a little bit. So these bridge shots are gonna be super important.
So can I see the screen really quick? And that's where you just fucking sense it after. No, we can definitely.
It's gonna look crazy in the video.
Okay, this is where we got you.
I kind of want to run it again.
This is where you got super close and then you just disappeared from it. But we're punching in. We're doing it like a TikTok reel, so everything's gonna fit in the frame perfect.